what's up, welcome back to another video. It's a girl show. So as seen by the title down below, I'll be giving you guys a day in my life vlog today. So if you're new to the channel, please I'm asking you to make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload. Every time I post a video, leave a like on the video, spam in the comment section, follow me on all socials at @Shella. My links will be in the description box down below. So you what, make a try to see if I can get me a fresh, and then after we're gonna be going on the road, right? So I hope you all enjoy this video, and as usual, go and build up on yourself, and please remember to watch your ads for me, okay guys? Alright guys, so me did end up still got vanilla, so me end up come back in the supermarket get the vanilla. So me see this here, me see that seafood party ramen here, and I don't know, me love ramen in body now, so here I'm gonna try this and see how it tastes, even though I doubt them here in the, but let us see.
Down south, bad bitch, discreet shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer.
Alright guys, so me just buy a food because Chloe will come in time and I come back to cook. So you know, say I should come in, she can get her dinner. When we go back, I should know what to do. Alright guys, so here when you pull this at the mirror, end up seeing that this is a seafood party soup, and this seafood party flakes. So I'm gonna put this on now. Give it some time. Go and cook. Strain off the water after and leave a little bit in there, and then add the ingredients afterwards. Alright guys, so this is the food I did buy. So curry goat, french fried chicken, pasta, and rice and peas. Alright guys, so see it there. Like me taste it, you know spicy or nothing. It just tastes like normal noodle. I just one fault me find with it, it's a little bit too salty. But otherwise it's good. So I'm gonna just eat out some of this, and then we give Chloe the rest, and then we eat our dinner. Alright guys, so this is what we're gonna look after. So this is bami. So I'm gonna do bami with chicken nuggets and franks for breakfast. Okay, so I'm gonna soak the bami now and then we fry it. Alright guys, so you can choose to soak the bami in sugar and water, or you can choose to soak it in milk, whichever one suits you, but I'm doing it in sugar today. So I have three more bami leaves, so you know, say you can always use those in milk, right? Yes, because it tastes better in milk. Just that I'm gonna be experimenting on the sugar this morning because I never tried that way before. Alright guys, let me just put the mirror, we just put the paper towel in here so that the mirror can drain off, so the oil can drain off. So I'm gonna just take out the paper towel now, and then me just give Chloe fair breakfast and put mine aside. Alright guys, so this is Chloe breakfast and her signature Lasco tea. Alright guys, so I have them shoes here for wipe off, and then I have them here for put in a wash, in a bleach water for wash. Now we have to go on the fire now. Hello, Miss Ma'am. You not gonna watch a cartoon? Eh? Hello? Guys, I can't hardly do what I do in peace because that's how she. Everywhere me there's already behind my body. Jim. So I feel lucky in ass in the house. Zoe. Oi. Tell them say nah, me do nothing in peace. Oi. Troublemaker. Troublemaker. Hello. Guys, me give her cartoons. She run gone left a cartoon. Oi. Zozo. See red face.
You've been through more than most of us. So what are you? What are you so afraid of? You give, but you cannot take love. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm represent. Sex game goes stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. I'd be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag.
Alright guys, so this is basically the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please remember to drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell and all, so you never miss an upload whenever time I post a video. So it's a great rush, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.